Welcome to the next section of our course with generative AI in software automation testing. And in this section, we are going to be talking about how we can make use of the generative AI to perform manual testing. This is one of the most important thing that we have to do for every software testing. So because even though you are going to be doing the software automation testing, it is highly important that you should have a manual test cases in place before we get into the automation testing itself. So the test cases are the most important stepping stones for us to perform the test automation. So we are going to see how we can make use of generative AI to create manual testing. And you will notice that how powerful generative AI are to create these manual test cases. But we need to do quite a lot of trick to make sure that the test scenarios are created as we are expecting. And in this section, we are going to see how we can deal with all of these. So the first thing that we are going to be doing in order to work with the manual testing is we are going to create a new chat with the chat GPT. We are going to deal with the exact same scenario for both the online version as well as the offline version with the GPT for all, and we'll see how we can achieve that. So the first thing is I'm going to use an application to perform the manual testing as well as automation testing in this application, in this entire course. And we'll also see some more applications while we get along, but we'll first get with the simple application that we have got. And this is the exact same application I have used in many of my other Udemy courses, which is available over here. So if you just go and search for Udemy and Karthik, you can see that this link, which has got all the different courses which I have published under my name in Exit Automation. And you can see that all these courses are actually using the same application that we are going to be discussing right now. So if I just go and show you this application, if you have already enrolled, you know what I'm talking about, the eaapp.swami.com. This is a very, very simple application, as you can see. So if you are going to perform a login operation, then you need to click the login button. And there are some more tabs over here, like employee list is going to show you the list of employees. And if you're going to hit the login button, it's going to do a login operation. You can also do a register, like a user registration here. So let's say if I want to log in there with the admin as the username and password as the password, it is going to log into the application, and you will see there are some more menus coming up. So if you see here in the employee list, you can also now create a new employee over here using this button, and this is going to help you create an employee. So we have got quite a lot of scenarios with this application already. So we are going to see how we can write the manual test cases for this application. So starting our next lecture, we will discuss how we can achieve all these operations in a very, very easier fashion using the large language models of Gen AI.